Hello friends, today we are see to how to reset or break Linux password or CentOS. Where deploy this video who CentOS. You can similar method follow and break your redhat password. First time we boot our system, then our press A and write second sysroot password, retype password again autorelabel. Let's go where see practical. First time logging our CentOS or start reboot, press E and arrow key, press arrow key, press arrow key. You can write rd.break, ctrl+X. Need to some time. Let's wait for mount, right mount, mount or remount, comma WR S Y S R O T sysroot, CSR root SYS root. Now write passwd password. Now change your password. My password is successfully. Now write TOUS, 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 AUTO RHEL, RHEL, exit, exit. Now need some time this process. Time. Now start again. But type here whole password root it's not work, incorrect password root, it's success now successfully. Thanks for watching, keep more video.